Hi, my name is Mark Takna and welcome to my channel, The Media Nerd. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix an audio cassette tape. Unfortunately, that was my wife's favorite Duran Duran tape.
But
seriously,
bad boy.
I'm going to show you how to fix an audio cassette tape. There are two different types of audio cassette tapes that were manufactured. One is like this, and it has rivets that hold the tape together. The second one, like this, it has screws that hold the tape cassette together.
Oh.
Now this cassette tape, the tape broke right through here. Sort of broke off the spool. It's a little bit, just the plastic broke. And you need a few things to be able to fix this type of tape. And really, this is my least favorite type of fix. You're gonna need a little scissors, a small screwdriver, possibly a razor blade, maybe another small screwdriver, and some Scotch tape, a power drill. You're going to need this tape for the new home, the cassette part for the new home for this tape. So we're gonna first take the screws out of this. This is the easiest. I say that now. There's one more screw right there I didn't see.
Oh, booger.
That would help. There we go. Came right off. I just had to take that other screw out.
Silly boy.
We're gonna set all of this aside. This is going to be the new home. We can trash this tape. These little plastic wheels do come out, so you have to be careful. There's even a little plastic cover right here. You have to make sure to keep that too. I'm gonna lay that there. Okay, this is the problem child. The tape broke and it doesn't have easy screws to take out. So you really need a drill to be able to do this. You're gonna drill the rivets out to pry this open. You're gonna destroy it. You have to make sure that you don't destroy the tape inside. See, I'm using a piece of wood, so I'm not drilling into my workbench.
Oh boy.
Now we have to pry this one open. It may not be as easy as the other one because it's sealed. That's why we have the razor blade just in case. Oh! Oh no! That's okay. There we go.
Nice.
Okay, just lay that right there for a second. Clean the dust off. Going to need this again. This is what's so tricky about it. Now we're going to take the new home, lay it there. We do need to tape the tape back together again. I'm going to tape it just like I taped a VHS tape and the 8mm tape. You're gonna wanna watch those videos if you haven't already. I don't need so much. Let's cut it in half. Since it's such a small tape. It really loves just to unwind off the spool. That's why this is so tricky. Here's one side. Okay, I taped the one side. I'm gonna lay this right on top of the other plastic. There we go. First, let's see if we can cut this extra piece off. There. Okay, I've made the splice. It's pretty close. We need to make sure that the tape, that it's not twisted. So this is the extremely tricky part. You have to get it back around the yellow. You need to start winding the tape back onto this little spool, and it just is such a nightmare to be able to do it. If someone knows of an easier way, please put it in the comment section. But this is how I've done it for years. And it's never easy, year after year. It's like, so you need to be able to get the tape back in between these little slots that's so hard to see probably on tape, and then hold it down, wrap it back around this yellow. That came off.
Uh-oh!
Get it in between, has to go in front of this little felt pad. Try again.
Ooh.
It has to lay in its home right there. Patience is a virtue when it comes to this. But you are saving your memory. Or someone else's memory. Okay, I'm going to get the other tape side, lay it back down, and see if we got it. Didn't get it. Take a breath. See, it's stuck right in there. It did make it around that yellow. Try it again. There. Come on, baby. Okay, that's it. That is it. Thank God. Okay, it's there. It's in. It's fixed. And right there, it's popped out again somehow. Darn it. Okay, that's it. It's ready to play. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. And hey, maybe share it with a friend or two. The next video, I'm going to show you how to repair a defunct DVD player.